I hope you lived everything here, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see in front of us, we have slime stuff. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but today we are going to be doing a challenge. We're going to be trying to make an identical slime from, hold on, I'm sorry guys, I can't even speak. We are going to be trying to make a slime that looks like a slime from Etsy slime. I'll leave the link in the description below. And yeah, but this is also my recipe for watermelon slime, but I'm just going to try to make it identical. I don't have the charm that it has, so sorry if I don't have the charm, guys. It's just a little decoration, but this is the stuff I'm going to be using. I have never made this before, but my years of knowing slime and stuff, I think this will work. So just in case you want to copy this recipe, this is the stuff I use. So I have this food coloring. This container I just got at Five Below, nothing fancy, just regular. Some food coloring. This stuff was quite expensive. Magical liquid. I was too lazy to get the borax and stuff. Here's some kids foam soap. It doesn't have to be kids. It's just foam soap. And over here we have some lotion, and I have some shaving cream. And then of course we have the giant gallon of glue. So yeah, without further ado, so make sure to smash that subscribe button, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. And once I get 1,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Like if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. The comments may be off. I don't know why. Sometimes they're on, sometimes they're off. I even go to my settings and turn them on, but they still don't go on. So I don't know why YouTube is doing that. So I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Let's get into the video. So first, you're going to want to add your glue of how much you want. I don't want too much. Oh, whoa. This is a lot. I mean, this is heavy. Oh, careful. Okay. So I don't want too much. So, okay. Careful. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. I don't know if you guys saw that. I could see that, but then it was dripping, and then when I put it back up, it just went like zoop. Like, nope, I ain't getting slime today. I think I want a little bit more because I have not had a slime in a while, but I do know quite a lot about slime. I did have my own slime business, not online technically, but I just went up to people when I would go to the gym. And I would be like, hey, you want to buy this slime? And they'll be like, sure. And then I'll have my friend make it for me. And it was just really cool. And I would make some extra money. I could buy my own stuff. So once you add how much slime you want in, get your mixer. In this case, I'm going to add a little, oh my gosh, that's kind of a lot, because I have to add my shaving cream and stuff. Oopsie, guys. Whoops. It's fine. It's fine. So we're going to get the reds, because this is watermelon slime. I might do another video. Sorry guys, my shadow. I might do another video with also watermelon slime recipe, but it will be a swirl slime. So, ooh, okay. I'll add that right there, and then what you're gonna do is gonna get your mixer, and you're gonna mix it, okay? Because you want a nice red. Ooh, that is looking nice, guys. So you want a nice red. It is turning out. Ooh, that is actually turning out how I want the color, but it is going to be lighter. So, because of the shaving cream, it's going to make it light. But that is actually a very nice color. So, you're gonna keep mixing it and mixing it until it's very good. You don't want to see none of the white. You want to get the sides too really good. And you can see right there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some still white. So, you're just going to keep mixing it until you, get it until it's a nice, really nice, I can't even speak, a nice light red. So I did add another drop just in case if it was not enough, and I'm trying to get the sides, everything as much as possible, even on the bottom too, because I am seeing through the container and I could see a little bit of white, you see right there, and I'm just gonna keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing this. Oh, yep, I'm getting that little smell, that little slime smell. Oh my gosh. Okay, please don't make a mess, because your parents might get mad. I have my parents' permission. If you are not allowed to use these specific things, I'm sorry, I can't say Pacific right. I don't know why. Please ask a parent or some help. Okay guys, so I think I have mixed it enough. Hopefully I did. So I'm just gonna, add that over there. Next thing you're gonna want to do, you're not gonna want to activate it just yet. Next, you're gonna want to add some shaving cream. And why we need foam soap is because some people kind of miss this when they add their shaving cream. They want fluffy slime, obviously, but sometimes the shaving cream or shaving foam could also make your slime, a little bit of rubber, and nobody likes rubber slime. So the foam soap will also help it. Oh my gosh, my hands are wet from washing it. Sorry about that, and we're going to try to add it. I'm going to try to squeeze it down. Oh wait, is it even open? Please be open. What's happening? What's going on? Why isn't it opening? Oh, there we go. We're going to add some of that. You're going to want to mix it in. Mix it in real good. Well, I'm trying to be careful not to spill. And as you can see, the shaving cream is obviously going to make your slime way lighter. So it might turn into that nice watermelon color that I want. So I'm just going to keep mixing that. Oh my gosh, it's turning pink. Like a peachy color. Not a peachy color, but it's turning nice. Yes! Okay, I got a napkin with me just in case it gets a little messy up in here, because slime can also be messy sometimes. So I mixed it pretty good. I'm gonna keep mixing it. Yeah, I think it's good. So we're gonna, kind of get that right there. I'm gonna add a little bit of, no. I'm going to add a little more. I don't want it to get too light because, like I said, I want a watermelon color. This is kind of watermelon slime. I did want to add a little bit of glitter, but then, no, not really. Plus it was kind of expensive. I just went to the store and bought this. So, yeah, and I only had a limit to spend. So, yeah. So, it is turning like pinkish, but that's okay. Could always add a little more food coloring as well. So I'm gonna see you guys when this is done mixed. Okay guys, so I got a watermelon color. Oops, it's kind of spilling on the side. I got a watermelon color. I just added one more drop. As you can see right there on the side, that is way more pink than the first time. So I just added a little more red. Okay, and if it's still not my colorway, go ahead and mix that because this video is already getting long and I haven't even done nothing yet. Haven't even activated it or nothing. Okay guys, so this is kind of hard to do in a little container. I didn't really think this through that much, so I'm going to switch containers. Alright, I did switch containers, so it will be easier to mix. So you're going to mix that real nice in there. Alright. Once you've done that, oh my gosh, why is slime so messy sometimes? Okay, so you're going to add your foam soap now. But you're going to want to, pump that in. Oh, no, wrong. Add your foam soap in. Ugh. Good pumps right there. There we go. Oops. Add that. And your hands can get a little messy, but that's okay. You're going to wash everything after. So you're going to want to have some foam soap so your fluffy slime will not get, kind of rubberish. So we're kind of mixing this in now. It is kind of getting, good. And it smells good too. I have some lotion. I'm going to add that after so it can be soft. But, ooh, this is actually going very, very nice. So, once you've done that, your hands may be messy. Once you mix that really good, now it's time to activate this. So, I got my magical liquid, the Elmer's activator, because, like I said in the beginning, I didn't actually kind of want to, go and get the borax and stuff. So you're gonna want to add a little at a time until you feel it pull away from the container. That's when you're gonna want to kind of knead it with your hands. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing But here it is right here. And it is kind of pulling away from the container. You just want to mix it real good. And you're going to do this little by little. And I'm going to add a little bit of more. Okay, maybe that was too much, but you know, we're just going to keep mixing it. And you don't want to over-activate it, because once you over-activate it, it's not going to be like slime. It's going to, like, I don't know, it's not going to go good, guys. So, yeah. So just keep adding your activator, or add your activator once it's kind of, you know, coming together. Okay, guys, so it kind of looks like a mess right now, but it is finally coming together after a little bit of activator. It is finally coming together, as you can see that. It is so fluffy and nice. I don't even think it's going to need lotion. So I'm just going to add more into here, and we're going to mix that up real nice and good. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Hopefully I didn't add too much. I don't want to over-activate this. But then I'm going to pick up on this, and I'm going to mix it with this. It's going to be so nice. Hopefully I don't over-activate it. It's kind of watery, but don't worry once I get most of the slime. And this is, oh sorry, I don't even know if you can see. I'm too focused on this beautiful slime. Beautiful. And it is a watermelon color. It's kind of a pinkish. We could always add food coloring too, but I think this is on quote amazing. It's so stretchy. It's like so nice. It's so fluffy. So I'm just gonna, you know, keep kneading this, and then you're gonna want to pick up on the rest of the slime here. Okay, guys, so it's not, you know, like quote unquote that stretchy, but I think it's pretty amazing. It's very fluffy and stuff, guys. It's very, very, like, you know, it's very nice, but slime is messy because once it's not activated. But, you know, you just have to, like, keep kneading it and kneading it. You know, it's not that stretchy, but, you know, you could add more foam soap always. You could even add, what's it called, lotion too, but it's kind of rippy. It's like the, it's not that rubbery, but it's not that stretchy too, but I could always add more stuff. So I'll see you guys when this is finally complete. Okay, guys, so I did add a little bit of more foam soap, just like a pump. And I'm going to add this, and it did get quite stretchier. So I'm just going to add a little more foam soap just because I want it stretchier. But I just have to knead it really good so it won't get, like, you know, all stringy and stuff and all liquidy. But this, guys, is honestly, oh my gosh, guys. That is so good. I don't even know it's going to fit on my container. Dang. What? One more pump, because it is still kind of, you know, kind of like rippy-ish, we might see. Sorry guys, this video is kind of late because I don't know why. It took forever in the store, and I was like, oh my gosh, look at this slime stuff. And most of the stuff is run out due to COVID, and a bunch of the clay is run out and stuff. I was like, no. So here is the slime. I'm going to add a tad bit of lotion, so just in case, you know. I added lotion and, oh yeah, that is fluffy. I added lotion and made it like rippy and stiff, but you could always add foam soap as well. I did a pump right now. Oh my gosh, it's so soft now. This is like the perfect slime. I did not expect this. I haven't made slime in like almost a year. I did not expect this. Whoa, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna keep kneading it. Wow, guys. So there you have it. That is it. Sorry, this video was kind of long. But I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And of course, you could always come and do this recipe. I don't even think it will be fit in my container. Let's see. Please fit in my container. Please, please. It is a little wet. I'm going to wait for that to dry. But let's just see the test of if it's pokey or not. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. But you hear that poke? Okay, it's not the best at poking, but wow, guys, look at that. That's no stretch problem. It's like, whoa, guys, would you look at that? This is very nice, not sticky. So please follow these steps and be kind of accurate if you want this kind of slime, because wow, it is amazing. It is very much, I wonder if you can make a swirl with it, guys. So I'm just gonna, you know, kind of keep doing this. I don't know if this is exactly how you make a swirl. I never done swirls like this before. I don't think it'll really work, but let's see. Oh my gosh, wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing, guys. Oh, well, I will make a swirl next time, guys. Do you hear that? Let's see if it fits in here. Oh yeah, it barely fits. Oh my gosh. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. But until next time, bye.